Hello, my wildflowers. How are you today? Alexis here with Modesty. Well, today I have my Birchbox for September that I would like to share with you. And this is a box that I do quite enjoy. And also, I want to make a small announcement since my birthday's coming up on Wednesday, which is September 22nd. And I have a surprise for you guys. So, if you're interested in knowing those couple of things, please do stay tuned. Okay, my beautiful wildflowers, welcome back. I hope you guys are having a good week. And if I did this correctly, it will be Tuesday. And so I want to go ahead and open my Birchbox that just came like yesterday afternoon. But before we do that, let's do affirmations. And today's box is she believed she could, so she did. And I do like this box. I don't usually, you heard me say that, I don't usually pick this box. But I do like it. So let's see what's in here. And like I said, I just shuffle all of my cards and make sure that all the things that we've already done, I put them in the back. And that way I'm not like picking. So I'm just going to take one off the top. And I hope I can see it. Yep. And here it is. And let's get rid of that glare. Okay. And it's by Jim Rohn. Not sure if I know who that is. But okay. What does he have to say? Success is nothing more than a few simple disciplines practiced every day. Success is nothing more than a few simple disciplines practiced every day. I think I've heard of this before, but not sure. Might have been in one of my planners or something like that. But that is true. In order for us to be successful, a lot of people think that we need to go out there and do big things every day and make huge impacts every day. And that's just not true, because if that was, there'll be a lot of exhausted, successful people out there. Although there are a lot of exhausted, successful people out there. But imagine if you had to make great big impact every single day. That would be really tiring, and you probably wouldn't have time to do anything else. And so when Jim Rohn says success is nothing more than a few simple disciplines, and that's the key, right? Discipline and keeping on track and also keeping on task. And if you don't have discipline and you're all over the place, regardless of, how much effort you're putting into something, you're going to be scattered and it's not going to be as easy. So it's really important to remember it's not about making huge impact every day, but doing what is necessary by being disciplined, by being organized, and by, time managing yourself. That makes a difference. And if you do these things every single day, success is at the end of it all, right? And but always remember, people are so focused on the goal, right? Getting to the goal. This is what it's going to take for me to be successful. Don't worry about that. And this is why I wasn't really worried about getting to 1,000 by September. It would have been nice, yeah. But it's not the goal for me. It's more about the journey. What am I learning every day? How can I make something better? And how can I create for you where it has an impact in your lives, okay? And if I always worried about the goal, the only thing I'm going to be doing is pushing for, I need the 1,000, I need the 1,000, I need the 1,000. And sad enough, there's plenty of people like that. But I'm not, that's just I guess I would say the prize at the end. But the most important thing for me is the journey, right? What I'm learning, what I'm doing every day. And am I disciplined? Yes, I am. I make sure I get on the camera every day and I make a video. I create a video for you guys. That takes discipline. It really does. And unfortunately, I missed, 5 days when I moved? I couldn't help that. But that didn't show lack of discipline. But it did show that I did have some things that happened where I couldn't do those things. And that, that speaks to the fact that even though you're doing simple disciplines and practicing it every day, sometimes there's going to be unexpected things, and it's okay. It is totally okay. At the time, I wasn't okay with it because, I'm one of those, OCD perfectionist people. But I learned, I took a break. I did what I had to do, but I didn't come off the road. I didn't veer off my path of my journey. I just took a little break. Okay? So, yeah, and this applies to anything. So, yep. Good lesson. Good lesson. Okay, so, couple of things, right? My birthday is on September 22nd, which is Wednesday, which should be tomorrow. And the only reason why I'm bringing that up is because I like to give on my birthday, not so much receive. Oh, it's nice to receive too, but I get my pleasures from giving back. And so for the past year, I've been keeping track of the names of all my winners. And it goes on to another page, by the way. And so what I want to do is I'm going to take the names of all of the winners of my previous giveaways to say thank you for hanging in there with me. And I'm going to write, well, I'm going to type it actually, type all the names into a Word document, and then I'm going to cut them, and I'm going to put it into a hat, whatever I may have at the time, maybe my little basket. And then I will pull the name for you on my birthday. And so if your name is called, you will have 48 hours to let me know that it's you. And, you know, some of the people may no longer be with me, may no longer be watching my channel, which is okay. It's totally okay. But if that happens, I will pick another name, okay? And then have another 48 hours. So like I said, there are over 40 names here. And if you won more than once, I'm still going to allow you one entry. And that's because that way it's more fair, okay? And so I will be doing that. And I think I alluded to this. I just didn't know when I was going to do it. But I think the cutoff of, you know, my birthday, because I always like to give on my birthday. Last year I did too, but this is actually great to go back from the last year, the whole year that you guys want to give away, and I'm going to pick your name, okay? And don't worry, you guys, if you didn't win last year, I still have another giveaway coming up, which is I'm getting really, really close to 800. And once that happens, I will have a pretty decent giveaway, okay? These two giveaways will be pretty decent because they're special milestones for me, okay? So, anyway, I'll talk more about that on Wednesday. But Birchbox. And this box here actually ended up being $8 a month for me because I did buy it in a special and for a year. And you can find it, you know, a deal. You just have to wait for when a deal happens. So they are all sample sizes and they come in a cardboard box. I don't know why I have to, oh yeah, that's right. I have to do the sides. And you know what? They must have heard me because you remember how I used to like tear off and I couldn't open it? Look, it comes off all like that. And here it is. It's a box within a box. And as I was saying, it is sample size only, which is okay. And predominantly it is skincare, okay? Sometimes you get like eyeliners or mascara or lipstick, I think. Yeah. But yeah, and this time I can see look at this. It's like a drawer. I like that. Huh. It wasn't ever like that before. And it says here, reuse me. And they believe in recycling, which I like that. And so I will reuse it because it is a nice little drawer. And let's see what it says. Wake up to the skin of your dreams. Okay. Here we go. And it does give you the products in a back. And the thing is, you have a choice if you want the conventional type, but I always pick the clean beauty picks. And it's because I like clean beauty. And unfortunately, that doesn't mean fragrance free, but that's okay. And sometimes they do have fragrance, and it depending on what kind of a product it is, I may choose to use it, I may not. So I gotta put on my glasses because I really can't see, and these are like really, yeah, weird, right? But it's what this is for my work. It's a blue light one, so that way, yeah, I protect my eyes with the computer. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 products in here. And it says changing things up doesn't have to mean big. Sweeping changes, start small by rotating these clean products into your beauty routine. And I like that. In the front, it says, wake up to the skin of your dreams. No, really. This month's curated skincare samples will leave you glowing morning, noon, and night. Get ready to wind down and wake up these age rewind treatments and radiance restoring masks. Okay. Oh, nice. Okay, let's see what we got then. And like I said, they are all sample size, which is okay. And let's see, what do we have first here? Okay, this is by One Kind, and it's Dream Cream Nighttime Moisturizer. And it's with squalene and rosehip oil. Oh, I like squalene. Okay, there you go. I don't know if you can see that. Okay, great. And let's see what it says about it. One Kind Dream Cream Nighttime Moisturizer. The full size is $38. This is, of course, travel size. This nighttime moisturizer locks in hydration as you sleep to ward off signs of aging like dullness and fine lines. Its fast-absorbing, non-greasy formula leaves your skin dewy and glowing, not oily, in the morning. Okay, nice. And I always like nighttime moisturizers, and I do know One Kind. That's that's an up-and-coming clean beauty brand. So okay, I look forward to using that. Okay, the next one is okay. This is by Aceology Hydro Glow and Deep Hydrating Watermelon Eye Mask. Okay. It is a eye mask, and let's see, the full size would be $8, and it says these eye masks are the perfect pick-me-up for tired and dull eyes. Made with watermelon extract, aloe leaf extract, and hyaluronic acid, eyes will feel deeply hydrated and appearance more plump after one use. Okay, so but it okay, and this is probably just a pair, and the full size probably has yeah, it probably has more packs in it. Yeah, okay, I'll try it. Okay, the next thing here is, let's see, it's called 1 Minute Botox? Hair Botox. 1 Minute Hair Botox. Let's see what that's about. Okay, it's by Nelson J. Hair Botox leave-in lavender oil infused treatment. Full size would be $33. This lavender-infused treatment detangles and protects against thermal damage. Apply evenly through clean hair. Leave on for 1 minute. Rinse and style as desired. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and try it. Yeah, let's see what happens. And it's an oil treatment and not a conditioner. So I wonder if you can use conditioner before it. I don't know. We'll see. I'll check into it. Okay, the next thing in here is, let's see, AHA Glow Mask, Balance Me. Who makes this? Okay, it's by Balance Me. I think I've seen this before. And the full size of this is $29. This face mask will brighten, deeply purify, plump, and reveal a natural, more youthful, luminous skin in less than 15 minutes. Smooth over a cleansed face and neck and leave on for up to 15 minutes before rinsing. Use up to 3 times per week. Okay. All right, I'll give it a try. This is a mask, so okay. I like this type of mask. Sheet masks I have a hard time with, especially when I'm talking to you guys, because usually they slip all over the place, except for the last one I did. Remember? I like that one. It stayed. Okay, and I think, is that it? No, I got one more thing, and I have had this. And this is called a refill, R-E.F-I-L. Okay, and here it is. And Beauty Balm and Peach Tam. Full size is $12. Not just a lip balm, this is your multi-use balm for anything, plus it's refillable. Made with a blend of natural oils, hyaluronic acid, ceramides, and squalene. It hydrates and conditions dry skin, helps promote skin barrier functions, and leaves a protective layer that's light and soft. Apply to lips, cuticles, dry patches of skin, or anywhere you need moisture. Okay, and it says refills sold separately on Birchbox. Okay, my hand just shifted. Yeah, sorry about that. I drifted. So, you know what? I think I had this before. I think I gotten this before. I wonder what I did with it. Yeah, okay. But I thought it was bigger. Maybe it was bigger on that one. This is just a smaller sample. Okay, that's it, you guys. And not bad for $8. We have the balm here. We have the eye mask by Aceology. We have this One Kind night moisturizer, and we have the Balance Me AHA Glow Mask, and we have the 1 Minute Hair Botox. So okay, alrighty, not bad at all. So what did you guys think? And have you guys gotten Birchbox, or do you get Birchbox? I'll go ahead and leave a link below, but you know what, you will probably do better by looking for deals. And on I was just go and Google it, because that's how I found it to be $8. And sometimes they might be $10. And so, and with the holidays coming up, I have a feeling, I mean, if you wait long enough, that you guys will get a deal. Okay. Just remember, guys, holidays are coming up. Try to refrain from buying things that you don't really need right now, because you know, you get the 25%, 30%. So I've been really good. So waiting for the holidays. Yeah. Okay, my beautiful wildflowers. So remember, on my birthday tomorrow, I will be picking the names for the winners. And also, I'm going to see if I'm close enough to the 800 mark to go ahead and launch it for you guys on my birthday. And I may do that. And that's where you're going to look for your, you know, your secret word and all that stuff, and put in comments. But I will not pick a winner until I know I'm well into 800, usually 810 or so. So yeah, so it might go as long as, you know, a month sometimes, depending on how long I pick up subscribers and beautiful wildflowers, right? Okay, my beautiful wildflowers. If I added any value, please hit like. And if you haven't subscribed yet and you like this type of content, please consider subscribing by hitting the subscribe button, ringing that bell, and then selecting all, so that way you know every time I upload a new video. Okay, my beautiful wildflowers, I want you guys to have a good day, a good night, a good week, or good weekend. Whenever you're watching this, it does not matter. But just remember, never sweat the small stuff. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.